detail department is one of the final stops in the process of producing a vehicle. So as a detailer, it's our responsibility to clean the exterior of the vehicles and fully wipe and polish and vacuum the interior of the vehicles and make sure it's all nice and clean for the customer. We put stickers on, clean the windshield and all the windows, and then on the inside we seal the floor, just dust everything off. The thing I like best about working at LDV is that it's almost a sense of community here. Everyone is always willing to help everyone else out. If you have a question, just ask somebody and they'll be more than willing to help you. And it's just not the same thing every day, but it's fun. Some skills that we utilize in detail are definitely time management, teamwork, and attention to detail, of course. Probably the biggest skill that I use day to day is multitasking. It's really important to work together efficiently with your team just to get everything done on time and in a timely manner, yeah. It's a really family-oriented company, so everyone is just super personable with each other and fun, and you just really get to know a lot of new people when you start working here. Yeah, I like working here a lot.